John Tool Expert. Today we were looking at a project somebody called me about earlier and wanted me to finish up the electrical and stuff, and it's pretty unique and interesting. Just want you guys to check this out with me. Alrighty, so apparently this is the water feature pump. It's a Hayward. It's got a check valve in the front. And one side goes to the waterfall, and the other side goes to the deck jets. So that looks all right. Let's follow the plumbing on the pump. Well, this is the suction, and this would be the water, or no, this would be the spa suction. And over here would be the skimmer, and then that's the cleaner. So it's a suction cleaner. Apparently, they didn't put any valve here, so I have no idea how they're going to adjust the pressure on the suction cleaner. So that's going to be interesting. From the pump, we go. You see this gas line is here. Underneath this gas line, there is goes from the pump over to the filter. And let's look at this. So we go from the filter, and then out from the filter, there is a three-way valve, and one side goes to a heat pump, and the other side goes to a heater. Interesting. And then from the heater, we follow that around, and it goes over to a check valve. Looks like to keep water from going backwards through the heater, into a T that goes directly to the spa return after the valve. And then from the heat pump, so it goes over to the heat pump, and then we flow along from there. It goes to an ozone generator. And then from the ozone generator, we have a check valve, and then we go to the salt chlorinator. And then we have the valve that goes between the pool return and the spa return / jets with an actuator valve. So anyway, this is definitely a unique project. I need to wire everything up, which isn't a big deal. I'm just curious to know how this plumbing is going to work. If you guys have any comments on that, leave that in the comment section. I'd be curious to hear what you guys think.